Hi, my name is David Chomet, and I've spent the better part of 20 years advising small business owners on the ways in which they can be most productive in their business. Some of the issues that I've covered is how to buy and sell their business, how to hire employees, what vendors they should be dealing with, and how to select them. But today I'm going to talk about something that seems to have escaped a lot of productivity experts, and that is how to go on vacation. Now, I'm not going to tell you where to go. I'm not going to tell you what to do. But what I am going to do is give you some very concrete ideas about things to do before, during, and after your vacation to make it part of a productive business where you have a business that works better for you, that you have a business you have to work less in and more on. If the little nuggets that I have included in this video, in this course, are helpful to you, I think you'll see a growth in your happiness, in your business, and in your
life. So as we go forward, we're going to be talking about things and techniques that will be useful to you. And if there's something that you have that's a question or an augmentation or something you'd like to add, by all means, reach out to me using the contact information that was included as part of this course. And I would love to hear from you.